calculate this? Well, then you remember that you product the average of cross products between this and that, right? That's a covariance, right? Average. How to calculate average? Well, you subtract the mean from this, from each observation, and then you subtract the mean of this quantity over this period from each observation, and then multiply them, and then divide by number of observation, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Do you divide by 12 or 11? 11, because that's what the statisticians say. That is you come up with a better result, close to population. Right. So let's do that. But instead of following all the process, you can get the same thing by typing using function called the covariance. Okay, and then you see that covariance.p, covariance.s. P stands for, well, the data is population. Covariance.s means that is a sample. So since we are using sample, we must use covariance.s. Actually, this uses n-1 for division. This is n. All right? So that's the only difference. So you would, in fact, the cova is the same as I think this one. Okay, but never, just to make sure that that is the case. P. Oops, it asked me array 1 and array 2. Can you see here from the back?
How are we using
Thought we're supposed to use S.
Yeah, that we're supposed to use S.
Okay. Let me. So we need a 2 array, right? To get the covariance, we need the 2 random variables here and here, right? So what you need to do is simply select this, and then comma, and then second, and then close parenthesis, and enter. You got that. Okay, let me. How about, yes?
So are we using covariance S or P?
S.
You used P on that equation.
Did I?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you for paying attention. If I use S, the number will be lower than this or greater than this? Greater, because you are dividing by a smaller number, right? So we are changing that into S. Okay, so is it greater? And now the variance. Variance of what? Market portfolio return. Sigma M square. That is equal to what? Variance. Should I use S or P?
Yes.
S. S. Okay, so it's S. And then what variance we are looking for? This variance or this variance? The right, correct? Okay. So by selecting this quantity, we got this. Now if I divide this quantity by this quantity, I must get this quantity, right? If not, I lied to you until now, correct? So let's calculate the P. That is equal to this quantity divided by this quantity. Huh? Do I get the same answer?
Yeah.
Okay, so we verify this. Any questions?